Thank you so much for getting Banner Ninja. In this video training, I'm going to show you how to edit and customize these banner templates. And it's very simple if you know some basic of Photoshop. If you don't know, I can always outsource it or show your outsourcer how to do that. So once you unpack your product, you will see different folders. So from 01 to 30, there are different banner variations for each one. Inside each folder, you will see PSD files. These are Photoshop files, so just double click it and it will open the Photoshop, and also you'll find PNG file. And PNG files are just for a preview, so you know what the banner looks like. And also you'll see the file names are just the pixel sizes, so it's 120 width to 600 height, okay, and so on. So you see, you can easily find which size you want. So for example, the very popular size is 336 to 280. So let's open this banner, and I'm going to show you how to edit this one. So just double click it. You see it just opened up. In order to change the text, because you will see there are images you can replace and also the text. So in order to first change the text, you have to just go to the T on the left, or just press T on your keyboard and then click on any text you see. Okay, just click this text, click OK. It's the Tahoma, so it's a basic font you should have. So you can change it, for example, to how one-legged man changed the world using this magic substance illegal. Okay, so that's just some basic headline you can use, because for example for this banner, it's more a news banner. Okay, you have two news stories you can put to get really a lot of clicks, because it's much less normal than the regular banners. It's much more unique. It doesn't look like advertisement. That's how you can get a lot of clicks from it. Okay, so that's how you change the text. If you want to change the image itself, you can just right click. You will see the shape number 1. It's in the layers here. If you want to replace, make sure it's a similar size so it fits. So for example, if I want to put some image. Okay, so I just found some image, some tomato image, so I'm going to use this one. So in order to first import this image, you just press the left key and you see just drag it to Photoshop. It's going to open the image in the new window. And then you press V on your keyboard, just click this icon, and then you again drag it to this tab. Okay, drag and drop. So this is the image. You can now move it however you want. Now this image is too big, so we have to change the size. So I'm going to press Command T or Control T if you're on Windows. We can also go to the Edit, Transform, Scale, and with the Shift, make sure to press the Shift so it scales nicely. You can make it smaller. Okay, so let's do it like that. Okay, so it looks much better now. And you can I'll also remove this black image. Okay, with just clicking this eye icon, so it doesn't appear here. And let's, for example, double click it and make a border. So double click it and go to the stroke. You do one stroke inside, and so it looks better like this. Okay, so you can do this, and that's how you can replace the image. Now you can change the image, the second image, the same way. So I'm going to just right click and duplicate the layer. You should use a unique image here, and you just do that. And that's how you change the images and you change the text, basically. Once it's all done, just go to the file, save for web. Now you may want to save as PNG or JPEG, depends on your size or what's your ad network approved. So JPEG is more popular, definitely. So just save it and it's done. Okay, and then you upload to your ad network, and you can run the ad. So that's basically how it works to customize, to edit basically the banner. Now I'm going to show you how to customize it. So let's find some cool, banner that we can customize nicely. So let's see. Okay, so let's use this one. This is a very interesting banner. You see it's a blue background. So I'm going to show you, for example, how to change the color of the background. So all you have to do is just go to the layers window and you see the shape 1. Okay, just right click the background and you just select shape 1. It's mostly shape 1 in most cases. You can test that this is the background. And you just double click with the small rectangular icon here with the blue background. Just double click it, and now you can easily change the background, okay, by just going through the color picker. Okay, so if you want, for example, yellow, you can make it super yellow, okay, like this. And then you can change the layer more because now it doesn't really stands up to the button. So we right click and shape number 2. Let's make it maybe red, okay, or orange red. Okay, it's cool. But now the layer more, it's not that visible. So let's go to the text function, or just press T on your keyboard, and let's click this this text, and let's change the color here to white. Okay. Let's do, okay, so what else we can change? We can also change the color of this font, okay, for example, to be something like that. Okay, we can also right click the arrow here. We can change the arrow to layer number 3. So there's you see there's arrow here. So let's make the arrow go here, for example. And let's double click this in the layer, and let's make it a different color. For example, make it black. Okay, and so now you can make it make it unique however you want. So that's how you can customize it. There are many other ways to customize, but these are the basic ones. Just change the text color on background color. You can also change the font. Just click it and you can change, for example, to a different one. Okay, for example, to impact. You can change it to impact, for example, make it smaller. So it's really up to you what you want to change. Okay, you can change the placement. For example, the text can be here, and here can be the headline. You can also make the headline bigger, smaller. You can make the headline, for example, back pain. Here's the solution. Okay, you can change that. If you see that the line height between lines is too big, just press this icon and you'll see this character window, and in this section you just have to make it smaller, so there's a less space between lines. So now it looks better. So there are just basic things. You need to know some basic Photoshop to do that, or just hire someone to do it for you. But that's how you can change yourself the banners to make them unique. And also for split testing, very useful. For example, change colors to see which one performs the best. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the banners. Thank you so much.